What's going on today? I'm going to be installing some of these SEALIGHT LED headlight bulbs in my 2014 Toyota Tundra. Let's take a look and see what these things look like. Alright, let's check these out. These are the S1 series H4, which is also a 9003 high-low beam. 6000K. Supposed to install 10 minutes. Some instructions, double-sided tape, zip ties, cool. Take a look at these bad boys. SEALIGHT. Fanless, just a heatsink. That's kind of cool. Like that. I didn't want to listen to those fans. Is that focusing on there? DOT SEALIGHT. Looks pretty good. I'll get some close-up shots of these guys. Connector looks good. All looks good. Now the way that these install is that if your car has these clips that go over the bulb, obviously you can't get the clips over the heatsink. So the way they make these is they make these where these will come apart like that. So this collar, this is like a composite. It's not plastic, which is kind of cool. All of it's metal. A little seal right here. That's good. I'll get some close-up shots of this thing. Then we'll go put it in. So I'll leave a link down below where you can get a little bit more information on this guy if you want to know all the specific details and see some reviews on it. There is a coupon for that also for $10 off, so please check that out. Alright, so 2014 Tundra. Gonna have to take the headlights out to be able to replace the bulbs. You can go through the fender liner, but it's a huge pain in the butt to actually try to get these things installed like that. If you're going to replace bulbs, just normal bulbs, you can do it, but to do the LEDs, it's easier just to take both headlights out, because as you can see, there's no access here because it's actually inside the fender. So we're gonna have to take the grill off, take these pieces off here, and then the headlights will come right off. So you got a push pin here, and then a bunch of 10s, and there's clips holding the grill on. Towards the bottom, these clips are kind of hard to get undone. They like to break, so hopefully I don't break them. I've taken this grill off a couple times, but I know this side it doesn't want to be taken off too many times, but this one might break. Alright, so Toyota likes to grease these connectors really good, so get yourself a little rag. I went ahead and put a little rag, a little towel under the headlight here because I didn't want to scratch it up. But all you got to do is grab the connector and pull on it. It's a little wiggle. Pull. Okay. Nothing special about that. It just comes off. It just push on, push off, push on, pull off. There's no locking mechanism. But yeah, they like to grease the crap out of it. This is the dust boot. All I gotta do is just pull it off. Okay, you're gonna reuse that. Then you have the little, there's a little clipping mechanism in here that holds the H4 or 9003 bulb. And all you have to do is push the little clip down and pull it towards you, and it'll undo, and push it all the way over. The bolt will come right out. Okay. That's a high low bulb. 9003 H4. Alright. So we're gonna get our LED. There's our LED bulb. Here is the adapter for it. Okay. You can see how this works. Okay. We're gonna take it. So they want you to install it a certain way. Wire facing down. All right. Put it in my pocket. Okay, so we're gonna get this. What we do is drop it on there, and then safety clip down like that. Boom, done. Okay. Now here's the fun part: is this is you're gonna have to reuse this because you want to keep the moisture out of the bulb. And so the issue is you probably want to clean off some of the grease because you don't want to get it on your new bulb. But this is the fun part. So you're gonna have to get this through here, through there. It's gonna need to lock into there. This is gonna be pretty tough. I might have to modify this, I might not. I'm gonna try to do it without modifying it because I don't want to cut up any of my factory stuff. Okay, let's see if I can get it on there like that. Push. There you go. Alright, so that's sealed up good. It's tight. Push that guy back on there. And see, it's chilling. Hopefully that doesn't melt. Let's push this down a little bit. See if I can get that to go down. Alright. Connector. Pull it with the rag because it's greasy. And then we're going to, bam, the connector fits good. Wipe off some of this goo. I think I'm going to tape this up. Alright, this is called Tessa tape. It's pretty much like a felt tape. You'll find it in German cars. They usually use it under the engine bay to do their harnesses and stuff like that. So I don't really see it too much in American or Japanese. You don't really see it in Japanese cars at all, but you do see it in German cars. So I'll put some on the connector just to hold it together because I don't want to go back in here ever. I might keep a little bit of the moisture out, but yeah, this is what the Germans use to build their harnesses. It's good stuff. It feels good. It's anti-rattle. Holds up really well in the engine bay. I'll leave a link down in the description box for it. It's really cheap. You can do all kinds of things with it. I use it on, like, I put it on all kinds of stuff. It's almost like hockey tape almost. Alright, there you go. Cool. You can zip tie that. It's a top like this. Well, that's good enough for me. Put this back on. head there has to go under. Fit that together. I'm gonna test it out, make sure it works. Before I put it all back together, and it's on. And I'm gonna do the other side, and then show you some night pictures. Cool.